Do you often open the phone app and wish it could go straight to the last tab you were using? Maybe recent, maybe contacts, instead of always showing the keypad? Your Galaxy S25 Ultra has a simple option called Open Last View that makes the phone app remember where you were last time. Today I will show you how it works. First, open the phone app. Make sure you are on the keypad tab. Now tap the three dots at the top right and then select Open to Last View. Once you turn this option on, your phone app will no longer always open the keypad. If the last thing you viewed was recent, the next time you open the phone app, it will start at recent. If the last thing you opened was contacts, then it will start there instead. It simply returns you to the section you were using before closing the app, and that's how to make the phone app remember your last location using Open Last View. Is a small feature, but it saves time and makes calling faster. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.